Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make a catering website on Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace account dashboard, so make sure you are logged in and that you already have an account. And then in order to make a catering website, you can just use the different templates that Squarespace has so that you can already have a starting point that is related to a catering website. So to do that, so from here, just click create website, and then we will be redirected to a new tab where we can create our Squarespace website. So we'll just wait for the tab to finish loading. And then from here, just insert your site topic. So since we will be focusing on catering, so you can just type it in here and then select the catering option. Then click the next button and then go ahead and answer the choices right here in what you want to do with your website. So since we are focusing on a catering website, we are going to focus on services. And then let's click next. And then from here, you can use the AI website builder of Squarespace, or you can just choose a website template right here. So I'll just choose a template. And then you can see right here some different templates that you can use for catering. So you have a templates right here. So you can just go ahead and choose the specific template that you want to use. But these are the best template matches, as well as this one right here at the top. So this one is created by AI. So for example, I want to use this website template right here. I can just go ahead and click on it. And then we can choose the theme for this website. So we can go ahead and customize the colors. So for example, right here, it focuses on having a green palette. And then for this one, so it slightly changes the colors right here at the top. So it all depends on your preference on what theme that you want to use. So for example, I'll choose this one and then click start with the design. So we'll wait for it to finish creating the website. Now that the website has finished loading, we can now go to the website, and then we can go ahead and edit the website right here. So now you can see that we have a website that focuses on a catering. So you can have this website right here, and of course what you need to do is that you need to edit all of the content right here so that it focuses on your services. So if you want to add a new section, you can just go to a specific part of your page where you want to add the section. So for example, we'll add it right here. So click add section, and then you can go ahead and choose templates right here that you want to use, or you can just add a blank section. So after you have added a blank section, you can go ahead and choose some basic blocks right here, like a text block. Then for example, I'll say I'll have a text like that. Then I can also add like an image block. Then I can browse for some stock images, for example, food. Then I can add this image right here. Then I can adjust the size. Then I can add a bunch of different things right here. So just check out my other videos about specific things that you want to learn. So just go ahead and explore and how you will customize your catering website. And then we can now save this and then exit. So once you are finished creating your website, so the next thing that you need to do is that you need to launch your website to the public. So to do that, you just need to go to settings and then go to site availability and make sure that this is set to public. But before this will be open, you need to do some different steps. What you need to do is that you need to subscribe to a plan here in Squarespace. So just go to billing and then just go ahead, enter your payment information. So for example, right here, you can add a payment method and then you can go to subscriptions and then subscribe to a specific plan that you want to use here in Squarespace. So the most popular plan is this business plan right here. So I can change this to US dollars. So you can see the prices right here and then the comparison of the different plans right here. So after you have selected your subscription plan, the next thing that you need to do is that, let me go back to the settings page. Then from here, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to have a domain. So if you subscribe to a subscription plan here in Squarespace, you will automatically have a domain. So just go ahead and click get a domain right here, and then you will be prompted to use the domain that is given to you with the subscription plan. Or you can just go ahead and search for a specific domain that you want to use. For example, I'll type in catering.com and then you will receive different domains right here, but they have a payment for it. So just make sure that you want to use that specific domain. Then after that, you can just go back to the website availability. So I'll just go back to the settings page again. Then from here, just go back to website, site availability, and this should now be open so that you can publish your website to the public. And then that is it. That is how we can make a catering website in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.